Welcome back to the SQL 30-day learning series. In the previous session, we covered important concepts that will help you move to the next level. Today, we continue our journey with another essential SQL topic. Let us begin today's session. Welcome to day 28. Today, we will explore SQL subqueries, queries inside queries. They allow you to nest logic and solve complex problems elegantly. A subquery is a query inside another query. It returns values to outer query and can be used in select, where, or from clauses. Here is a subquery in where. It finds employees whose salary is greater than the average salary. A subquery in select adds a calculated column. Here it counts orders per customer. A subquery in from acts like a virtual table. Here we calculate average salary per department and then query it. There are different types of subqueries. Scalar returns one value, multi-row returns multiple value, and correlated depends on the outer query. This correlated subquery compares each employee's salary to the average salary in their department. Subqueries simplify complex logic, break problems into steps, enable dynamic filtering, and create virtual tables. Let us practice. Use a subquery in where for high salaries, in select for order counts, and in from for grouped stats. In e-commerce, subqueries can find top customers, calculate product sales stats, and compare category averages. Try these mini challenges. Find students above average grade, count enrollments per course, and compare salary to department average. Your assignment: create employees, students, and orders tables. Write queries using subqueries in where, select, and correlated subqueries. To summarize, subqueries are queries inside queries. Use them in where for filtering, in select for calculations, and in from as virtual tables. Tomorrow, we will explore advanced joins and set operations.